Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Docker latest version on Fedora Linux. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to Docker's official website docs.docker.com. Click on manuals, then click on Docker engine, install, then select Fedora. See here, to install Docker engine you need a maintained version of one of the following Fedora versions, 40 or 41. I am on 41, so prerequisites match. Then first we have to uninstall older versions. So copy this one, open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. Next, installation. See, I am going to install by using this RPM repository. So command completed. See, it is completed. See here, first we have to set up the repository. So copy this command, Ctrl N, paste it, hit enter. Okay, it is already in your version. So now install this config manager. Paste it, hit enter. It is adding the repo. It is done. Now we have to install the Docker engine. See here we have two types, latest and specific version. If you want a specific version, you have to find the list of the version, then you have to install. I am going to install latest stable version. Copy this command or just click on this copy button, then paste here, hit enter. See, it is going to install Docker CE, CLI, containerd and plugins. Okay, type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, installation is completed. Now verify the status of the Docker. Sudo systemctl control status Docker. See, we have installed Docker application container engine, but we haven't started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start Docker. Hit enter. We have successfully started. Now verify the status. See, we have started. Now enable it. Sudo systemctl enable Docker. It is done. Now again verify. See, we have started Docker service and it is enabled. You to quit, Ctrl A. Now verify the version of the Docker version, but we haven't received full information. But if we run this sudo Docker version, we will get the more information. See, we have the more information, and installed Docker engine version number is 28.0.2. Okay, that next step is we have to add this user to Docker group. Sudo usermod -a c, then provide the Docker group name, that is Docker, then current user. Still we won't get the full information. To get full information, we have to log off from machine and we have to log in back. Now we will verify by running this Docker image, that is hello world image. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. See, got the output of this Docker image. Okay, if you want to verify, sudo Docker image, hit enter. See, we have this image. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Docker engine latest version on Fedora Linux 41. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.